And number 3, please stop blaming. Nagkaganito ako dahil sa inyo. Kung hindi kayo naging ganon, hindi ako ganito ngayon. 60 years old ka na, 70 na, yung pa rin ang sinasabi mo. What happened to you? Kasi you kept blaming others. No, Lord, I blame no one. And I don't blame you. Please, please, don't blame God. Maybe sa bugso ng kwantuisan na mayroon sa atin, nasasabi lang natin, but sa totoo lang po, let's make this clear. God owes you nothing. God owes me nothing. We owe God everything. Keep that in mind. Wala po tayong karapatan. Wala po tayong pwedeng ipagyabang kay Lord. Mabait kasi ako, Lord, bakit naman ginanyan mo ako? That kind of thought should never cross our mind. Have mercy on me. Have pity on me. That's the most beautiful word. Once you can say that, you have peace. Wala ka ng entitlement. Wala ka ng mga expectations. Basta, Lord, have mercy on me. I am a sinner. And I know you love me.